Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove TikTok shop discount. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a TikTok shop account, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find TikTok shop? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tiktokshop.com. That's going to take you into the official website for TikTok shop. Once you get in there, all you need to do is to follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TikTok shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to remove TikTok shop discount. So let's say you added a discount already to your account and you want to go through the process of, you just want to remove the discount. Here's how you can do that. So head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find these options, which include orders, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, growth center, analytics, account health, and finance. I'd like you to click on marketing, and that leads you here. We have the extended menu that says shop ads, promotion, shop page, and campaigns. So head over to promotions and select promotions, and it's going to take you to this promotions window. So if you selected create a promotion and you selected product discounts and you clicked on create and you created your product discounts, you're going to find the discounts that you created right here in this manage your promotions tab. So just set it to manage your promotions and you're going to find this discount. So I created this discount right as at this time and this date, and it's ongoing. This is the start time, this is the end time as well. So if I want to remove this discount, it means I'll really have to deactivate the discount. And how do I do that? Head over to action and click on view. You have this edit, duplicate, and deactivate. So go ahead and select deactivate. This action cannot be undone. That's fine. So click on deactivate, and you see this button that says promotion deactivated. It means that has been deactivated and that has been completely removed. So that's it. It has been deactivated, so it's no longer available. So that's pretty much how you can remove TikTok shop discounts. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.